The Jobber Series J200 portable bandsaw mill comes with all the components you need to assemble and start milling within 30 minutes, including 2 base supports, 2 7-foot upper rails, 2 wrought iron bottom rails, and a reliable GX Series Honda engine. The J200 portable bandsaw assembly begins by installing the 2 bottom wrought iron angle rails onto the wood supports. Then align the rails straight and tighten down the joints. Now with the bottom rail aligned and tightened, face the mill and install the cross members onto each base on the right hand side only. With the right hand cross members installed onto the wooden bases, you now install a base support onto each base. It's important to note at this point that every part of the assembly is hand tightened only. Then install the left hand cross members from the bottom rail to the back of the base supports. Finally, at the base, install the rear cross member, remembering to hand tighten only at this point. Keep in mind the positioning of the rail. Install the left hand rail loosely onto the base support using 2 bolts and nuts supplied. With the right hand rail now loosely or hand tightened onto the right hand base support, join the rails at the center and begin the process of tightening down each bolt. The first part to tighten and align is the top center rails. With the top rail now completely tightened down onto each base rail, the next important step consists in making sure that the bottom bases are fully flush inside the bottom rail. Now with the J200 mill completely tightened down and aligned, the process is very simple. Pick up the chariot and simply install and drop onto the rail. The chariot is now ready to operate. Final step in assembling your J200 bandsaw mill is to take the GX Series engine, install it or slide it onto its rails, engage the drive belt, idle pin, and finally the clutch pin. Your J200 bandsaw mill is now ready for milling.